Welcome
to the Escalante city.
Okay, let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Escalante.
Let's do again. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to the Escalante city. So, how much, guys, do you make money in construction if you work all day? How much do you make in one day?
Ang delay na rin, ano? 700.
700. Okay, okay.
Where you from, sir?
Europe. Yeah, but we came from Dumaguete. So we're gonna check. Can we rent the house? Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Can I do video also at the same time? Are you the owner? Are you the owner?
No, my mother.
Oh, really? But you have many rooms or just one?
Now there is 3 rooms, but only one did apply.
Okay. And how much do you charge? Pila?
5 per month.
3, 5. Okay. What's up, doggy?
Tunga na lang iba.
Let's go check inside. No aircon.
Na aircon?
Hindi siya aircon.
Oh, it's okay. But what about Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi here?
No?
No Wi-Fi also.
Hindi ko kasabot lang.
Oh, the shoes off. What's it?
Siya.
Oh, well, it's a cute room actually.
Yeah.
It's very cute.
This is your ano, dining table.
Oh, wow. And 3, 5.
Nice.
But it's a cute room. Damn, I like this.
cute.
I like these colors. Yeah, and it's clean also. Damn.
Freaking.
It's very clean.
The bottom is here.
CR, very cute po ng CR.
Ah.
Very cute.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Very nice. It's so clean.
It's okay.
Hello,
This is
my
the owner,
buntag.
my mother.
Yeah. How long has this room been available? How long has it been available?
There is one available.
But how long this room has been available?
I don't know.
Long time.
Long time.
But can you give me your number? I will put your number in the under the video link, and people can call you. Or you don't want that?
Mo na number 9? At asam din ba?
Dumagiti.
Nausa man din mo din ito?
Oh, nag-tour.
Wait.
Yung pila ka
Right here, please.
Yung kuan di ay.
So I will get the number of
Depende
this
kung
apartment. So guys, if you wanna rent this, you can just check the number in the video
Oh, kami
description.
na
And maybe yeah,
May mga gamit wala na po.
maybe you like that.
Na.
To that ball in pure gold.
Wala.
Can you take us to the pure? What is that?
Pure gold.
Pure
Ato
gold.
na pure gold dia? Dihay ka?
Chik na lang. Chik.
Pila.
Salamat, sir. So I think we will go in the pure gold a little bit.
Thank you.
Let Selena cool down a little bit. You feel better. We find a very big aircon. But yeah, it's a, I don't know, like a regular market. You can just buy your meat here. Oh, it's okay. I'm just doing a video. A nice store you have. Yeah, it's okay. Try. Guy wanted to help me, but I don't want to buy anything.
There's the
So yeah, that's marketplace.
This is the market.
Yeah. Let's see how people are gonna treat us. Are they gonna start treating us like a big wallet? Oh wow, they sell some chicken here also. Let's see how much is chicken here. My napun or my buntag. Pila one chicken.
15 pesos po, sir.
15 pesos. Thank you so much. Salamat. You want
So
chicken?
good. No, not right now.
Later.
Yeah, later.
Okay. Selena, can we buy you a new hat here?
Huh?
Can we buy you a new hat here?
Hot?
Can we buy you a new hat here?
Hot. No.
Why not?
No, mine is expensive.
Look, they have an eatery also.
Yeah,
Let's check.
they have
Is that a
eatery.
quality food or not? Then, what city we came from?
Huh?
What city we just stayed?
It wasn't city, town.
Toboso town. Then that Toboso town food give us like lots of gases. But this food, it looks clean actually. It looks nice. Yeah, look at the quality.
Like pansit.
Oh, it's okay.
I got trauma from last night.
It looks nice. The food looks nice. You got trauma?
Yeah,
Why?
because that food we got is so bad.
The soup that we got them.
Yeah, it seems like this worm inside.
That's crazy.
It's so disgusting.
Selena, what is that? What is this?
For the rat,
For the rat, really?
Yeah.
How does that work?
you put the food there like cheese and you open
How
it.
does it work? Do you know?
Yeah, I think I know.
Oh, show me, yeah. So you will do like that, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So the rat will come here, right? And try to take the food. Oh, oh yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, that's a nice thing. Salamat.
Oh, they have that too.
You wanna jump inside?
Let's go.
It's gonna be so dark.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's jump inside. Sorry, sir.
Damn, it's so hot.
Oh, wow.
It's so hot here.
Native cigarettes. Damn, look at this package. Pila. 20. All of this. Damn.
How much?
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Salamat. Thank you. Maybe we go over there. Lotus. Mein buntag. What do you think about this marketplace?
Huh?
What do you think about this marketplace?
It's nice. It's
nice,
clean.
yeah. I thought it's gonna be like very dirty inside, but it's not actually.
Yeah, it's nice. It's clean.
Yeah.
I think there's
Let's
the wheat market.
Let's go there. Let's just pass by. How much is the egg? 3 for 20 pesos. Oh. Mein buntag. So one big egg is 10 pesos. 10 pesos is this much. They have fresh meat here also. Hey. Are we gonna check the neighborhood now?
Yeah, let's see. Let's see.
Damn, this tricycle. Let me try to sit on it. Hold this. Let me see. Damn, it looks so nice. Ooh la la. Oh wow. Damn, it's so comfortable. Yeah, I can drive with this back to Dumaguete also if I really want to. It looks cute.
It will took you a few days, 1 week to drive there.
You think? Oh, they make bamboo furniture.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Bamboo.
Let's ask how much is the bamboo furniture. Mein buntag. ¿Cómo estamos? Pila. Who's selling this? 3.8 is a full set. Okay, salamat.
3.8.
Thank you so much.
Nice.
3.8 full set.
3.8.
How much is that? 3,800 pesos is this much, and you can have like a big couch, small, too small.
Yeah, too small.
Yeah, too small like
One
them.
big one.
Yeah, and one table. So the set includes 4 pieces, and that's 3,800 pesos. 3,800 pesos is this much in USD. Then
Is this the plaza?
I see lots. Yeah, it is. I see lots of girls here in this town. I see lots of women. It's crazy. They look nice. I think they have a school here probably because of that.
Yeah, they're student. Those
Yeah.
women, they're
Yeah, that's the
student.
plaza. Damn, that water is a little bit dirty. For how many pesos you are willing to go and swim in this water?
No way.
For how many pesos?
Not pesos. 1,000.
1,000. For 1,000 pesos, you are willing to go there?
Yeah. 5,000.
5,000 pesos.
Expensive, huh?
Then the price is going up so fast. It depends who is offering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Oh,
can
wow.
have drink there.
Imagine at the evening, they will definitely open
Yeah,
those places,
yeah,
right? And you can just
yeah.
come and chill here
Yeah.
and eat.
Yeah, they open in the evening.
I don't know. I'm okay with that.
Look at that dog bowl.
Oh my god. So guys, let's take time off a little bit. I want to thank all of our supporters. Greg, thank you so much for your support. Joel from my country, thank you so much. One Joel, thank you also. Thank you so much. There's a guy named Arner, thank you so much. There's a Siri Curtin, thank you so much for your support. There's a Cameron, thank you so much. Matt, thank you so much. Winterbud, thank you so much. Robert, thank you so much. And Sam, thank you so much. Guys, I really appreciate that. We're gonna take the scooter and we're gonna head to the next town. Like,
Yeah.
there's nothing to do here actually.
Yeah.
But it is a nice place. It is
Yeah,
a
it
nice
is
place.
nice.
Yeah, I like the locals here.
Yeah.
And guys, you have lots of women here. Like,
I think this one is a little bit bigger than Gihongan.
yeah, for sure. Damn, that place was like
Yeah.
stress. But you have lots of women here. That's crazy. Like, everywhere. Lots of young and beautiful women walking around this place. What else can we say about this town? They don't have a beach because that place is more like inland. But they have all the stores.
Yeah.
They got everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. I recommend you guys to come check this town out also. Check this city out. So, yeah. What's up?
I thought there's a woman. I'm a friend.
So guys, if you like this video, I will put the payment link under the video description so we can go even other cities to discover all the Negros Island. We can go to the different islands. So guys, that was it. What was the city name, Jolina?
Huh?
Escalante.
Escalante City.
Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This was the Escalante city, like very small city, nothing much to do. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next videos. Bye bye.
Bye bye.